Okay, class. We are going to be learning arithmetic. Palmer, why did it alligator get shot with a shotgun? I don't know. Well, if I had a shotgun, I'd shoot the alligator. Okay, Palmer. But, wait. When I got a shotgun, I'm going to shoot the alligator. Because I want to. Palmer, we do not talk about that in class. But I want to shoot the alligator. No. Palmer Wilkinson. Fine. Today's date is 10/5. Miss Lacey, what are we learning again? Arithmetic. Arithmetic what? Arithmetic. Cool. Miss Lacey? What? Are we still learning arithmetic? And now you know. I said it right. What was the word again? Arithmetic. Arithmetic. Stupid arithmetic. What? You call me stupid? Because I want to shoot the alligator with a shotgun? Arithmetic, that's the word. Arithmetic. Connor, where? Oh, where is your writing? I see no arithmetic. But I was doing this. I was too worried about this. What is that? Okay. Connor Wilkinson, you are going to show the class what you have written and how it is long. Well, you know class. I was just writing this. And I thought it was my New Year's birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nudie. Happy birthday to you. Arithmetic what? Arithmetic. I love you. Love you, Nudie.